Hi, I am Surya Prakash. Now we are going to take simulations of LAN topology experiment 3. Now the aim is to simulate a LAN topology including HTTPS, TNS, DHCP using Cisco Packet Tracer. Now the procedure is place all the end devices, connect all the end devices to the switch creating a LAN, then connect all the LAN to the single router and assign IP address to all the end device, assign IP of the router at gateway, give the services to all the server. This is a screenshot of network topology. Now the server we have to check the server, DNS server, corner server, DHCP server, and this is in this we have to give the server to connect, and this is the network topology of screenshot. Now we are going to see this we have to give the desktop and 19 to 1.92.188 10.2 and that server we have to give in this desktop, and we have to give 19 into 168.104 in DMS server 000 and the static. And the next screenshot is we have to give the services, and we have to DNS service on, it should be on, and then DMS we have to click. And next screenshot of DHCP server. In this server pool we have to give DHCP, and we have to give the server is on, and next we have to give that number of start IP address, subnet mark we have to give, and then next screenshot of router configuration, and this is the configurations, and this is the screenshot and routing table. This is the screenshot of routing table, and the screenshot of the ping is this is the ping of screenshot, and it will be the what it is the ping of the server, and then we have to screenshot of web browser with IP, uh, the Cisco Packet Tracer, that is the browser IP. Now the web browser with URL screenshot. This is the web browser with URL, on the screenshot of DHCP in PC, DHCP and static. That's all about the experiment number 3. The result is the simulations of LAN including HTTPS, DNS, and DHCP is executed and verified successfully. Thank you.